Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Sawyer Ridge Farm. Today we've been having some people ask about, they wanted a rabbit update, so today we're going to give you guys a rabbit update. Right now we are in the middle of like hardcore breeding season because, as you guys may know, we do sell to some local farm and garden stores, and this is about the time of year we're kind of ramping up our breeding to be selling to them in the spring. So today we're going to show you guys breeding a couple of our rabbits. Some of you guys may know what that looks like, so we'll get that started and show you guys what it's like. Okay, so as you guys can see, these bucks, they don't waste no time. Right there is what's called a successful fall off. What you saw, it kind of just fell off there. What we typically like to do is we like to see the buck breed the female at least 3 times. So that was one successful breeding right there. That's 2 successful fall offs. Sometimes they kind of hop around there, like to do a little dance. Another thing I want to mention just real quick, sometimes you'll stick your doe in there and she does not want anything to do with him. She just may not be receptive at the time. If you stick them in there and it's been like 10 or 15 minutes and still no breeding, just take them out for the day, give them another try maybe the next day, and usually within a couple of days they'll be receptive. Just them being around the buck kind of brings them into heat, I guess you could say. So if it doesn't work the first day, don't get discouraged. Just try again the next day and usually they'll be more receptive. And that's 3 right there. This little guy, he's pretty fast. He gets his business done pretty quick. So that's 2 already, 2 successful fall-offs. For her right there. Alright, so as you guys can see, we got 2 of our does bred today. We like to physically see the buck have 3 successful fall-offs. Now, after you've seen the 3rd one, you can usually just leave the doe in there for about 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure. Maybe they'll get a couple more successful fall-offs. You really only need 1, but we always like to do 3 just to guarantee that we'll get kits. Another thing is, rabbit's gestation is 31 days, so on day 27, so 3 days before they are due to have their kits, we'll put the nest box in the cage. The reason we don't leave the nest box in there, all the time is because they will make a litter box out of it and they'll just poop in it and stuff. So we put the nest box in there 3 days before they are due to have their kits. They'll make a nest. If you notice that they don't make a nest, that's a sign that they were not successfully bred. So if they usually go right at, making a nest, you know that they're bred. And we put straw in there, so they just kind of make their own nest. But yeah, that's pretty simple. I mean, that's how you breed rabbits. It's really pretty simple. So that's where we're going to end the video. It's just going to be a short kind of how to, breed your rabbits. And we thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed to our channel and you like this kind of stuff, be sure and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section and we'll be sure to answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you have a great rest of the day. Take care and God bless.